Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite T220 T225 tablets. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker and car pry tool. And then, by using a picker or car pry tool, gently run between the frame and LCD screen to release the plastic clips on the frame. If the selected edge is not relaxing, use a pry tool to create a wider gap. And then use the car pry tool to release the gaskets on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the bracket by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working primary rear camera from the board. Next, pull out the not working front camera by disconnecting the plug. Gently peel the tape to pull out the unit. Next, secure the near front camera to the board. Next, secure the new back camera to the board. Next, connect the battery plug and then place the bracket by adding 6 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering it up. Next, slide in the back cover from the bottom to the top. Secure the back cover and then ensure the clips are tightened. And then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.